flying cars will be reality in next 5 years. Intel's drone chief Anil Nanduri, in an interview with CNET, said flying cars will definitely be a reality in the next 5 years, even if not at a large scale. Airspace solves the three-dimensional challenge that the ground traffic is faced with, Nanduri said. He added, cost of putting cars in sky is less than putting them inside underground tunnels. I called Apple CEO Tim Apple to save time and words. Trump's President Donald Trump on Monday defended himself for mistakenly referring to Apple CEO Tim Cook as Tim Apple at a conference in the White House. I quickly referred to Tim plus Apple as Tim Apple to save time and words, he tweeted. Apple CEO Tim Cook changed his last name on Twitter to the Apple logo after Trump's error last week. Nearly 44% of votes in Estonia's election were cast online. Nearly 44% of the votes in Estonia's 2019 parliamentary elections were cast online using the internet voting i-voting system. The system, introduced in Estonia in 2005, recorded over 2 lakh of over 5 lakh total votes this year. It lets users cast a vote through their internet-connected computers by using ID card or mobile ID, while retaining their anonymity. We gave consumers what they wanted. Instagram co-founder Kevin Systrom, while talking about Instagram's Stories feature, said, for a long time people's profiles were filled with Snapchat links. It was clear people were trying to bridge the two products. By bringing them into one place, we gave consumers what they wanted, he added. Introduced in 2016, Instagram Stories are posts which disappear within 24 hours. Google approved $45 Minnesota exit package for exec accused of sexual assault. Court documents show Google approved a $45 million exit package for former search executive Amit Singhal, when he was reportedly forced to resign in 2016 after a sexual assault investigation. This was disclosed in a complaint filed in a lawsuit made public on Monday. Singhal later joined Uber, but was fired for hiding the allegations against him, as per reports.